Okay, so here we have our 27 by 27 yard, and because we were dividing it up into three, we used 3 dark squares.
Yep.
And that's the whole yard.
Yeah.
And we're going to use light ones, so we've got some red and orange ones. Where did she plant the grass?
She planted around the edges.
Okay, and
then one in the middle.
okay, so there we go. There's where she planted the grass. And we were trying to find that area. And you did a great job finding that area, calculating it.
Well, if you can see, we can kind of put these together to form squares. These two isosceles right triangles fit together to form squares.
Okay.
And plus there's one more square, so that makes 3. And then we had originally 9 squares, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 9 squares originally, and then that makes a 3 out of 9 fraction, which gets you to 1/3.
And 1/3 is the amount shaded, or where grass was planted.
So
and the question was, what's the part where the grass isn't planted?
So 2/3.
2/3. And that was, do you remember what it was, the value?
What do you mean?
What was the number? What was the actual area that was unplanted?
I think it was 286.
It had an 86.
486.
486, yeah, 486. So 486 should be what fraction of 729?
Should be 2/3.
Should we check and see if it is?
Okay.
So it's 486, so I hope this purple marker works. Does that equal 2/3 times 729? Okay.
Well,
why don't you see if you can work that out?
729, well, that's going to be 2 times 3 to the 6th over 3. So then this cancels. 2 times 3 to the 5th, which is 486.
How do you know 486 is 2 times 3 to the 5th?
Well, 3 to the 5th is 243, and then times 2, 400, then 80, and then 6, so 486.
Awesome. So we could see this problem via calculating. Sorry, I didn't bring an eraser, so let's have to use a kitchen towel. We could see this problem by calculating, but there was also some really cool geometry going on here inside of this problem that really simplified the calculations.
Yeah.
If we noticed that those triangles and the square, there we go, could be pushed together to form 1/3 of the shape, then we could see, without having to do a lot of calculating, that the part where the grass was planted was 1/3, the part where the grass was not planted was 2/3, and then we could figure that out real quick with maybe some simpler calculations. Pretty cool. Great work this morning. Great work.